What's going on, guys? Came back here with another video. Today we're going to be going over this C pouch SealLine bag. It's a personal pouch. It is weatherproof, so it's tightly sealed. Let me take it out of the bag real quick for you guys. So I have unopened it, and it comes with a fake passport, just to show what I guess you can put in. But as you can see, here's the back. SealLinegear.com. But here are the specifications. Let me go over that. The product is made in the USA, so that's pretty cool. There's a limited lifetime warranty. And let's see what else. So it is a clear, watertight personal pouch with a belt loop and adjustable neck cord, and those are the specifications. So I have the large. This is a large bag, so it can, let's see, it says it can hold passport, a wallet, and those are the dimensions. Pretty big bag. Let me put my hand right there. So it's about the size of my hand. But as you can see, it just has the Supreme kind of cut off there, but let me show you the back of it, the SealLine. But pretty cool thing. It's got a little buckle right there and laces. But yep, I picked this up, sold out pretty fast. I'm currently selling this on StockX, so I'm shipping it out today. And this is a mini MLK pin that I got in the bag. Pretty cool. But let me just give a quick look around. So that's the front of it. Pretty cool item. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you liked, I'll be giving away Supreme little stuff like this once I reach 1,000 subscribers. So please help me out by subscribing to my channel. I'll be posting more content daily. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Peace.